Hi, this is Vivek Bajaj. I want to talk to you about my favorite community which we have created in Stockage called Stockage Club. It's an exclusive community of like-minded people who are connected with me and my team of knowledge and research analysts, and we are helping our members to become truly a very good financial market participant. How does it work? We will give you access to Stockage Social. Stockage Social is social platform for stock market discussion where we have created premium clubs for all of you. Club number 1 for fundamental discussion, club number 2 for technical discussion, and club number 3 for stock ideas. In fact, we are working on more clubs so that you as a Stockage Club member can get access to all these mini clubs. What do we have in these mini clubs? We have our team of analysts who are there to help you resolve your queries. What kind of queries do you have? You may have learning queries, conceptual queries, or you may have earning queries. So right from learning to earning, you get everything in Stockage Club by becoming part of this club. If you are suppose new in the market, we will give you access to courses which are relevant for you to understand the basics of market. So as part of Stockage Club, you will get access to 3 recorded courses. Second, we will give you access to 12 paid webinars which we have. Those 12 webinars are well crafted, very nicely designed webinars from the pool of webinars which we have hosted in our 11 markets. In fact, we have more than 200 webinars in our portal. So you can select 12 webinars and get on to the learning curve for your specialized learning. This is one of the greatest community I'm building, and I am personally involved in this. You can get access to me, you can talk to me as a club member. So your investment in Stockage Club will definitely yield you great result in future if you are serious about market. If you are not serious about market, definitely this is not the product for you. But if you are serious about market, this community can become a game changer for you in your long-term wealth creating journey. I hope you like this working. For more details, visit stockage.com and search for Stockage Club and get more details about the same. And I'm looking forward to you join us and make this India's largest community for serious stock market participants.